Welcome back to Creative Activities by Roshron Rocks. Today, we are presenting a beautiful temple poster, Lord Shiva's Sacred Symbols. Lord Shiva is one of the most loved and powerful deities in Hinduism. He is known as the symbol of transformation, calmness, wisdom, and inner strength. Each accessory and symbol connected to Lord Shiva carries a deep spiritual meaning and teaches us valuable life lessons. In this poster, we will explore each sacred symbol and understand its significance. At the center is Lord Shiva. Shiva is known as the transformer, the one who removes negativity and brings renewal. His calm face teaches us to stay peaceful even during challenges. At the top center is the sacred Om symbol. Om is considered the sound of the universe. It represents the beginning, the present, and the future. Seeing Om reminds us that everything starts from divine energy. Below Shiva is Nandi, Shiva's loyal bull. Nandi represents strength, patience, and devotion. He always faces Shiva, symbolizing focus and faith. Nandi teaches us to remain dedicated to our goals and values. Beside Nandi is the Shivlingam. The Shivlingam represents cosmic energy and creation. It reminds us that the universe is a continuous cycle of creation and transformation. Next is the snake. The snake symbolizes power, rebirth, and control over fear. Just as Shiva wears the snake calmly, we should learn to control our fears instead of being controlled by them. On Shiva's forehead is Bhasma, the sacred ash. Bhasma reminds us that material things are temporary. It encourages us to focus on spiritual growth and inner goodness. The Damru represents Shiva's drum. The Damru symbolizes rhythm and the cosmic sound of creation. It reminds us that life has its own rhythm, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but always meaningful. The Rudraksha Mala represents meditation and devotion. Rudraksha beads are symbols of peace and spiritual connection. They remind us to stay mindful and connected to our inner self. Shiva's third eye represents wisdom and insight. It reminds us to look beyond what is visible and understand deeper truths. The Trishul, Shiva's trident. The Trishul represents creation, preservation, and destruction, the three forces of life. It also symbolizes control over mind, intellect, and ego. The crescent moon shines on Shiva's head. The moon represents calmness and control over emotions. Shiva teaches us emotional balance. It also represents the cycle of time, showing that he governs the passing months and seasons. By wearing the moon as an ornament, Shiva shows he is the Lord of Time, Mahakal, who observes time without being trapped by it. Flowing through Shiva's hair is the sacred Ganga. Ganga symbolizes purity, forgiveness, and life. The story tells us that Shiva held Ganga in his hair to protect earth from her powerful flow. This teaches compassion and responsibility. And with that, our Lord Shiva's sacred symbols poster is complete. Each symbol carries a beautiful message: peace, strength, wisdom, devotion, and transformation. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another creative activity.